Hello student, welcome to online class. I am Mrs. SD from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. In this video I will tell you about the formation of interrogative, and this is of class 6 English 2nd and chapter 3rd. This is my second video of this chapter. In my first video I have already told you about interrogative, its kinds with definition and example. As it is my second video, in this video we will do the book exercise of this chapter. Before that, I would like to remind you what is an interrogative. Interrogatives are those sentences which used to ask question, or you can say the sentences which used to ask question to get information, ideas. And this is of two types, as we have studied in my first video, that the first type is yes no answer type, which gives short answer in yes or no, and second is WH word, which here it is given in quotation. Questions are often asked using what, when, where, which, whom and why. Such questions had that being with WH. This type of, when in a sentence these words are used, this type of questions are called WH question type, are thus referred as a question, WH question. I hope you have understood. So, without any delay, let's see the questions of this chapter. First question is, that is practice exercise question number A. First is, the following set of words can be rearranged to form a statement as well as a question. Write down both in given space. One has been done for you. It means first question is done for examples, and what we have to do is, first of all we have to rearrange the sentence. We have to rearrange the words given to make a complete sense, and we have to rearrange it two times, first to form a statement and then to form a question. It means we have to arrange this sentence for making a statement sentence, and then the same sentence will be rearranged to make a question. So it means we have to make it an interrogative sentence and a statement, or you can say a declarative sentence. So let's see the example. First question is, smoking injurious health is to. This is not in a correct order, so we have to arrange, and here arrangement is given as an example. The first is, smoking is injurious to health. This sentence is a statement, and the same sentence is converted into question by using the helping verb at the beginning. Here, is smoking injurious to health, and it becomes the question. I hope you have understood that first of all we have to make the statement sentence using these words given, and then same sentence we have to convert into interrogative form. And here, as the helping verb is given in these sentences, by using the helping verb at the beginning of the sentence, we can easily make a sentence in interrogative form. And this is your first type of interrogative formation. Now let's see question number 2, what it say. The question 2 is, teacher will excellent, she make an. This is an incorrect sentence. We have to rearrange this sentence correctly and then to make a question it. So the correct of this sentence will be, here I have written in my notebook. Let's see. The first we have already done, it is given in the book, the same. So number 2 is, teacher will excellent, she make an. The correct sentence will be, she will mark an excellent teacher. This is a statement. The first line is a statement sentence that she will mark an excellent teacher. And when the same sentence we change into interrogative, it will be will she mark an excellent teacher. Here, when we are changing the sentence in interrogative form, the word will, which is a helping verb, come at the beginning and then followed by subject. Will she mark an excellent teacher? In this way we have done the sentence first in statement form and second in interrogative form. I hope it is clear to you all of you. Now let's see question number 3. Number 3 is, like she not long journey car does by. This is an incorrect arrangement and we have to make the correct arrangement. So the correct arrangement of this sentence in statement form will be, she does not like long journey by car. This is a statement, she does not like long journey by car. And when we change the same sentence in interrogative, it will be, does she not like long journey by car? And at the ending of every interrogative sentence we have to put the question mark. So in this way we have done the third question. The statement of this sentence will be, she does not like long journey by car, and we put full stop at the ending. And when we change the same sentence in interrogative, it will be, the helping verb does come at the beginning and it become, does she not like long journey by car, and we have to put question mark at the ending. Now let's do question number 4. Question number 4 is, collect this be the of lot years honey will. This is incorrect, and when we make it correction, it will be, this year the bee will collect a lot of honey. Or you can write, the bee will collect lot of honey this year. Both the sentence will be correct if you write this year at the beginning or at the ending. Both the way it is correct. But I have used in the beginning, so this year the bee will collect a lot of honey. It is a statement sentence. When we change the same sentence in interrogative, the helping verb will come at the beginning and it become, will the bee collect a lot of honey this year? I hope you have understood. Let's see question number 5. Question number 5 is, the call principal office hall to did his. This is a totally incorrect sentence. Let's see the correct of this sentence. Here his principal did the call to her office. This is a statement, his principal did the call to her office. When we change into interrogative, the helping verb did come at the starting, did his principal call to her office, and there will be question mark at the ending. In this way we have changed the statement into an interrogative form. The next question, question number 6 is, satisfied the am very with services I company of the. The correct of this sentence will be, I am very satisfied with the service of the company. It will be, I am very satisfied with the company I am very satisfied with the service of the company. So this is a statement, I am very satisfied with the service of the company. When we change into interrogative, the helping verb am come at the starting and it become am I very satisfied with the service of the company. Am I very satisfied with the service of the company, and there will be question mark at the ending of the sentence. Let's see the question number 7, that is, could the task complete you tomorrow by? The correct statement of this sentence will be, you could complete the task by tomorrow. This will be the statement of the sentence, and when we transfer this into interrogative, it becomes the helping verb come at the starting. Could you complete the task by tomorrow? Could you complete the task by tomorrow is the interrogative form of the same sentence. Now the last question is, would like you could join to the is a word, or you can say the question. The correct statement of this sentence is you would like to join the club. You would like to join the club is a statement, and the correct interrogative of sentence will be would will come at the starting and become would you like to join the club, and there will be question mark at the ending. So it become would you like to join the club. In this way we have done all the questions. Once more I am going to repeat the same answers. Let's see. First sentence is already given, smoking is injurious to health statement, and interrogative is smoking injurious to health. When number 2 is she will mark an excellent teacher. When we change it into interrogative, it will be will she mark an excellent teacher. Number 3, she does not like long journey by car. When we change this into interrogative, does she not like long journey by car? Question number 4, this year the bee will collect a lot of honey, and the interrogative of this will be will the bee collect a lot of honey this year? Question number 5, the principal did the call to her office is a statement. When we change this into interrogative, that will be did his principal call to her office? Question number 6, satisfied the am very with service I company of the is a question, and the correct answer will be I am very satisfied with the service of the company is a statement sentence. When we change into interrogative, it will be am I very satisfied with the service of the company? Question number 7, could the task complete you tomorrow by is a question, and when we change into statement, it will be you could complete the task by tomorrow, and interrogative will be could you complete the task by tomorrow? In the same way, the last question, that is question number 8, would like you club join to the answer will be you would like to join the club, and the interrogative will be would you like to join the club? I hope you have understood. Now today's assignment is first, as I have given yesterday, write the definition of interrogative with example in your fair copy. If you have done, no need to do, but if you have not done, do it in your copy and complete your copy. Second question is, write all the rules of changing of interrogative sentences which I have already told you in my first video. Third question is, write the given exercise in your book as well as in your fair copy, which I have teach you now. Do this. If you have book, fill in your book. If you don't have book, do in your copy. This is your today's assignment. I hope you have understood. So student, stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.